Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So friends, welcome to my new video. And in this video, I am going to talk about two important, very common question that we have in our mind. And I will tell you what kind of question you are going to think, and that question is what kind of that question. So I will tell you. This video is going to be very helpful. For in this video I am going to talk about a very common question, very common confusion that we think while learning English language and while learning English language. So I hope that you will be stay till the very end, because this video is going to be very knowledgeable and helpful for all the beginners. So because in this video I am going to talk about beginner. So friends, I hope that you will be stay till the very end, and if you are new here, please do not forget subscribe to this channel so that you can easily get my all the videos. So without any delay, let's get into the topic. Friends, as I have told you that I will talk about the two most important questions, and the first question is that we while learning English language, we start thinking about negative question. Which kind of negative question means we think that I cannot learn English. Sometimes, sometimes if we are unable to talk with anyone, if we are unable to find any kind of words in English language, means we don't know what is the English word or what is the meaning of English in this word. So sometimes we feel, sometimes something is happen in our life, and after that we start feeling negative. We start feeling that no, this is not my cup of tea. I am not able to do this work. I am not able to speak English language. I cannot learn English language. So this kind of questions we start thinking in our mind. So this is called negative question, negative thoughts. Okay, so if you have this kind of question, so let them go. Let them go. Negative question. There is no any. You are in your mind. There will be no any space of negative thoughts, because you are learning English language. You have decided to do something different in your life. So why will you give the space of negative thoughts in your mind? There will be no any space in your mind. Only for in your mind there will be only for the place of positive things. Okay, so if you are unable to do something, if you are unable to speak English language this time, so keep practicing. Keep practicing, because we all know that practice makes a man perfect. I know that if you are not perfect this time, even I am not perfect, so I am trying to be perfect. And for being perfect, we have to work every day, we have to practice every day. We all want to be perfect in English language. Okay, so it will take time. So do not think about negative thoughts. Do not give place negative thoughts in your mind. What you think, you will do like this. If you think negative, so you will do negative. This is simple tricks, this is simple things that we also know about this. So friends, I just want to tell you that if you are learning English language, if you are unable today, so do not worry, because all the great speaker, one day they were unable to this language, and they are able to speak fluent English language today only because of practice. Only because of practice. There is no any other things that they will be follow, they would be follow in their past. Only by practicing they are fluent in this language, and only because of practice you will be fluent in this language. Keep these things always in your mind. So stop thinking that I cannot do anything. You can do, because you can see around yourself. You can see around yourself. Most of the you can see, you can watch on the YouTube video. You can search a Jostock video in on Jostock platform. There are so many person who come, and they tell the story about their English journey. So if they can do it, so why cannot you? Think, look all around yourself. Watch those all motivational speaker. If they are saying that if I can do, so why cannot you? So you have to follow these things. If you can do, so I also can do it. If you know what, if you are creating this kind of thoughts, so your mind gives you positive things, that yes, she is thinking and he is thinking about their self, about their work, about their ability. So our mind is, our mind is in our control. We have to hold our mind's control. Okay, so whatever you think, if you think negative, so your mind will work negative. If you think positive, so your mind will work positive. So always try be positive and work, and make your think be positive. Okay, so this is the first tips that we think about. So stop thinking about this and start working on your negative thoughts. If you think that I cannot do it, so start working on doing that. This is simple tips, this is simple things, that's it. And the second thing is that positive question. We are learning English language, and we do our practice every day. Okay, it's okay, we are doing our practice every day. But in spite of doing practice every day, sometimes we are human being, and sometimes we think about negative, sometimes we think about positive. So while learning English language, I am talking about those person who are doing practice every day, who are doing practice every day. Instead of doing practice every day, they start thinking that I do practice every day, even then I am not improving my speaking skill. So I will tell you, this is positive question. Okay, if you have this kind of question, so do not worry, this is positive question, and I will give you the answer of this question. And it happened with me also. Okay, so I know it very well, and I will explain what kind of question can come in our mind while doing is practice, while learning English language. If we are doing practice every day, so which kind of question comes in our mind? So friends, first of all, as I had told you that in spite of doing practicing, sometimes we think that I am not improving, I am not being fluent in this language. So yes, it is common, and it happens with me. And this is a positive question, this is positive way of learning English language. So the answer is that if you have this kind of question, so you are not able to see result today, you are not able to see result today, but one day you will definitely get result. And for getting seeing your result, what you have to do, just record your speech, whatever you speak, just record your speech, whatever you speak. Let's understand through some example. Suppose that I am speaking now. Okay, I am doing my practice, speaking of practice I am doing. So I am recording this, and tomorrow I will again do my speaking practice, and day after tomorrow I will again do my speaking practice. So day after tomorrow, if I listen my today's video, so definitely I will get result. I will be able to know the difference between today's video and day after tomorrow's video. I will be able to know the result. I will be able to understand the result. Okay, so for getting result of your practicing, you have to do like this. Just you have to record your speech, and after some days, after few days, after 2 or 3 days, you have to listen your previous videos. These things if you do every day, so every day you will get result, and there is no need to think that I am not getting result. You are not able to see the result. Every day you are improving yourself, but you are not able to see the result. One day you will get the result, and big result you will get. Okay, so I am just trying to say you that do not think about these things. Yes, of course, this is positive question, positive approach, positive thoughts. But if you keep thinking about this, so definitely you will get negative thoughts, negative question after thinking about positive question. Okay, so friends, I hope that you have learned something from this video, and this was the thing that I wanted to share with all of you. And I hope that this video will give you something new. And meet in the next video. Till then,